This is the proposed project presentation of the public safety category within the 2020 capital election. The election is Tuesday, August the 25th. Oklahoma law requires that 70% of the projects in each category be specified in the ordinance calling for the general obligation bond election. The law also requires these projects be completed with these bond funds. The remaining 30% are discretionary and do not have to be specified or completed. However, the City of Bartlesville has completed all projects identified as 30% projects in the past. While this law does not apply to the sales tax renewal, the city handles these projects in a similar manner in an effort to simplify the process and to maintain transparency. Projects that are highlighted in orange are the 70% projects within Proposition Number 1 of the General Obligation Bond Renewal. The first project is to upgrade the emergency radio system for the police department, which will replace the older VHF radio system and improve coverage locally and statewide for police officers. This system will be built on an 800 megahertz platform and provide more radio channels for local public safety. It will also benefit other state agencies such as the Oklahoma Department of Transportation, the State Bureau of Investigation, and the Oklahoma Highway Patrol. The second 70% project is to replace the fire department's 1975 snorkel truck, which is nearly 50 years old. The new truck will ensure the department's fire safety measures are up to date and operating within the requirements and recommendations of the National Fire Protection Association. If these projects come in as anticipated, then the 30% projects include the operation server room generator, which would fund the purchase of a generator to supply power to a secondary off-site backup facility. The second 30% project is a GPS camera parking enforcement system. This system will allow the police department to implement a more efficient system for parking enforcement in the downtown areas, as it eliminates the need for marking tires with chalk and electronically manages the location and time duration of vehicles parked on public streets. The third 30% project is the fire station building repairs. This will replace the roofs at fire stations 3, 4, and the Central Fire Station, as well as to replace the insulation within Central Fire Station's equipment bay. The last 30% project is firehouse software replacement. This software is utilized daily by the fire department to track call response times and other data required by the state of Oklahoma. On the sales tax renewal in the public safety category, again, the projects that are highlighted in orange are the 70% projects within this initiative. The first project is police emergency vehicle replacement. This allows for the purchase of 8 new police vehicles per year to replace older models requiring costly repairs. The program targets vehicles that are 7 years or older. The police emergency vehicle equipment will equip these new police and patrol cars with sirens, lighting technology, and other equipment used by the police officers. The last 70% project is body-worn cameras. This is part of an ongoing program to equip police officers with body-worn cameras and will be used to purchase 10 cameras per year for the duration of the 5-year sales tax renewal. If these projects come in as anticipated, then the first 30% project is a taser lease purchase, which will lease and purchase 55 new tasers per year to replace older non-functioning equipment. The second 30% project is to replace the 24-hour dispatch chairs. Currently, the police department mans and staffs the dispatch center, which operates 24 hours a day, 7 days per week. This will be used to purchase 3 specialized chairs per year within the CIP period that are built to withstand constant use and allow dispatchers to sit more comfortably for long periods of time. The third 30% project is the dispatch radio computers. This will replace 4 computers utilized by dispatch to communicate radio traffic to law enforcement. The computers used currently are 8 years old. The last 30% project is the dispatch uninterruptible power supply. This will consolidate the various UPS units within dispatch to provide one central unit that's easier to maintain and has the ability to run all the equipment. Overall, the public safety category represents just under 21% of the total initiative for both the general obligation bond initiative and the sales tax renewal.